ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Course. So today, a lot of you have been asking me that I should make a video that the side will not be skin, right? It will be low cut. Now pay attention very well. Please, if today is your first time seeing my channel, see my video, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share so that other people benefit from it. And if you are yet to follow me on TikTok and Facebook, it's the same name, High Universal Cut. So after you have combed the hair thoroughly, you'll be able to get the texture of the hair. Stay behind your customer to look at it very well. You see how the texture is. So after you have combed the hair finish, make sure you always consult him before doing whatever you want to do. Ask him if the hair will come down or not. So now, the first guideline is going to be on low cut level because we are not going to skin it. Do you understand, guys? So I've done the clipper sterilization. So make sure you sterilize the clipper first. So the first guideline is going to be on low cut, not skin this time around. So how is it going to be? Now you are going to open the blade. You know, whenever you close it together, it's under skin, right? Now, to put it under low cut level, you are going to open the blade. Look at it very well. The blades are joined together. So you bring it down. Once you open it, it will be on low cut level. Do you understand? Then you texture it. Make sure that the first guideline that you are creating, as you are texturing it, make sure it follow the way the hair is. Do you understand? Now look at it very well. Okay, let me demonstrate you the way I normally do it. Now, starting from here to here, it's going to be on low cut level. Do you understand? So we are going to put on that low cut level, then stop it here. You know, this is what high fade afro. You can still call it afro round cut, but this is what high fade. So the first guideline is going to stop here. The second guideline is going to stop here. This is the second guideline is going to show you how you are going to blend the final blending to get the shape of the high fade. Do you understand? Please make sure you like, comment and share. Please don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I will not be putting out these things here for you guys. So after all said is done, this is the theory part. So let's dive into practical part now. So like I said, you open the blade, put on your clipper on. What the way my hand is moving, follow it accordingly. Remember, barbering requires your what? Your maximum focus. If you don't have patience, you cannot be a barber. So don't rush it. Take your time. Watch how my hand is going to be moving. Watch the way I'm controlling. All this things I'm telling you, they are the fundamentals. Do you get? So what the way my hand is going to be moving, how I'll be controlling the clipper. Do you understand? So now it's under what? Low cut level. For those of you saying that I talk too much, I don't blame you people. I just want you to get the basics right. So take it like this. Remember, the high fade is not going to be on skin. Can you see what I'm doing? Please remember that I always say this. No one is an island, no one knows it all. If you see that I'm not doing it correctly, please correct me in the comment section so that I'll learn from you. Do you understand? As I'm teaching you now, don't think that I know everything. I don't know anything. So anywhere that you see that I'm not doing it right, please correct me. Let me learn from you too. Watch what I'm doing. This is tutorial purpose. That's why I'm taking it slow. Do you understand? So make sure you are brushing off the hair that you remove. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Take your time, don't rush it. Please make sure you subscribe. Once you subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified that HUC has posted. Do you understand? So there is no how you take your time, relax in your room. Watch this video from beginning to the end, and you'll not be able to cut this kind of haircut. It's very simple. Barbing is very simple. When you have the Z, and it's very very difficult when you don't have the zeal. Maybe you are just learning it for learning sake. You might be learning it in 100 years, you will not be able to handle clipper very well. But if you have the zeal, you have the passion for it, within 1 week you should be able to barb, skin punk, layers, all those ones. You get? So make sure you are commenting something that make YouTube to know that we are trying our best. We are doing something very very educational. Do you understand, guys? So after you have created the first guideline, hope you are watching what I'm doing. I'm taking my time. Take your time. Subscribe. Take your time. Watch it. So the second guideline, like I said, is going to be what? Under step 1. This is step 1. You are going to insert your clipper. Still put it what? Under low cut level. Look at it. Get this thing right now. This is where a lot of people make a mistake. Put it like this. Let it still be what? Under low cut level. When you did not put the step 1, then you take it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? See the way I'm flipping it small small. Take your time. This craft is very very sweet. Take your time. See what I'm doing. After you have created the second guideline, can you see what I'm doing? After you have created it finish, watch. Then if you look here, this here is not much here, but you can still use step 1.5 to create the final blending, so that when you blend it like this, as if you are brushing the hair, there will not be line in between the hair and the guideline that you created. Do you get it? Please let me not forget, if you know you have not joined my membership pack, please do, because very soon it's only my members that will be able to watch my videos. Membership pack is a place where you can support me with the little token that you want. Someone asked me to send my account number. I sent it. The guy said that he couldn't see my bank. I said okay, but through this membership pack you can send me the little token that you want to send to support. Do you get? So watch it now. You put your clipper, you hold it like this. See what I'm doing. Watch how my hand is moving. Can you see it? Can you see it? I'm using this 1.5 to create the high fade shape where before I use step 1 to blend it. Do you understand? Can you see that barbing is sweet? It's very very sweet. So take your time. Remember, this family is all about theory and practical, raw. So after you have created it finish like this, then use your step 1. Use your step 1 to blend it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see? So use it to blend it. Remember, this tutorial people, that is why I'm not that balanced. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see that the shape, the blending is coming out? Can you see it? So please, if you are learning something, please give us a thumbs up. Comment anything. Like, share this video. And most importantly, subscribe. You will not regret becoming part of this family. So watch what I'm doing. So after you have blended it down finish, you raise your hand upward again. You blend it like, you flip it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Make sure you are brushing it. Can you see that the shape is coming out? Can you see that the shape is coming out? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see? So after you have gotten the shape, finished, then the next thing you need to do is to remove the step 1. Put it under what? Put it under low cut level. You rush it down like this. Watch what I'm doing. Watch how my hand is moving. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm doing, guys? So after you have brushed it down and finished, turn your hand as if you want to barb low cut. Can you see? You may jam hair that is very, very strong, and also the one that is very, very soft. So if you don't use the steps very well, you will miss out. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see it? Can you see it, guys? So after that, you turn your hand upward to clean the line, the second guideline line. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see the shape? The blend is coming out, right? Watch how my hand is moving. Watch what I'm doing. Please take your time. Can you see? It's not what? It's not skin. This is normal low cut. So I posted one haircut on my Facebook, and someone was asking me, how did I get this level? So I really do not know how to explain to him. So I told him that whenever a customer comes to cut his hair like that, I'll make a video for it. So this is it. Don't forget to share this video. Let other people learn, please. So after you have gotten it like this finished, the next thing you need to do now, watch it very well, watch closely. You trim this head, you trim it so it will rhyme very well. How do you trim it? Still put it under low cut level. You hold your clipper like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing, guys? So this is it. It's very, very simple. Just take your time. Watch this video from beginning to the end. You will surely understand it. Someone sent me a message. The person was just thanking me that after watching my video, he was able to cut the same hairstyle and he got it. I was so happy for him. So learn this work. It's going to help you. Can you see? Can you see it? Can you see it, guys? So this is it. This is high fade, low cut high fade. Can you see it? This is low cut high fade. Can you see it, guys? This is low cut high fade. This one that I'm doing is just miscellaneous. So you have to take your time to make sure that everything is well smooth. So guys, please, after watching this video, if you find it interesting, please subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that you will not be missed out whenever we post. You understand? So I love you guys. This is HUC. And any haircut that you want me to cut, make sure you check my playlist first if I have done it or not. Do you understand? Because I've done almost going to 300 and something thousand, not thousand or 300 and something videos. So you first check it and watch it and understand it before asking me to do any new hairstyle. So this is it, guys. Can you see it? I love you guys. See you in my next video. Thank you.